everyone, I'm Jackie and welcome back to another episode of Lowe's How to Anything. Today, I'm going to be installing a brand new garbage disposal because the kitchen that we're working in today doesn't have one. Garbage disposals are super important because they help you take care of the food scraps to keep your sink clean. So today, I'm going to be walking you step by step on how to do just that. Let's get to work. So let's carefully disassemble our current plumbing under the sink to get ready for our garbage disposal. Okay, so this is our brand new garbage disposal that we got from Lowe's. The first thing that we're gonna wanna do is take our sink mounting flange, and we're gonna wanna get some plumber's putty, put it around the flange so that we can seal it to our sink. And if you need to remove any excess plumber's putty, just grab a utility knife. So now we're at the bottom of our sink, and now what we're gonna do is take our support flange and connect it to the top. How we're gonna do that is we're gonna take our washer, our support flange, bring it over here, connect it to the top, and how it's gonna stay all together is with this snap ring. So now it's time to put in the garbage disposal, but before you do that, you wanna take this cap off right here. That's gonna connect to the dishwasher. And then you see these 3 tabs on top of your garbage disposal, that's gonna connect to the mounting ring. So let's go ahead and put it in. And you're just gonna wanna turn this to the right, and once you hear or feel a click, you know it's secure. Okay, now that our garbage disposal is installed, we have to connect the drainage. So here's our drain pipe that we're gonna screw on. And once you kind of screw it in with your fingers, you could go in with your screwdriver and tighten it, and go on the other side. Okay, and then next we're going to install our P-trap. We have our P-trap, so we're gonna connect it to our drain and our kitchen line. Here's a quick tip. If you're having a hard time connecting your P-trap to the threads, all you wanna do is turn it in the opposite direction so that it connects to the threads. And once you get a hold on it, you turn it into the right direction to connect it. All right, our garbage disposal is officially installed, but now we have to turn it on. So I got this at Lowe's. It is an air switch button, and that's what's gonna turn it on. So let's install it. So you're gonna wanna take your rubber gasket and put it at the bottom of your air button. After that, you're gonna wanna take your air tube, connect it to the bottom, and then we're gonna feed this entire tube down this hole right here, and we're gonna be able to connect it to the controller that we plugged underneath. And the last thing to do is put in our air button. And now we just need to secure it and connect it underneath. I'm connecting my air tube to the side of the controller so that when we press down on our air button, it will turn the air switch on and off. And then finally, I'll plug the garbage disposal into the controller's outlet, which will make everything work together. It's time to test out our brand new garbage disposal. It works. And no leaks. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you're looking to install a new garbage disposal at your home, you can find everything that you need to do it at your local Lowe's or at Lowes.com. And while you're at Lowe's, if you need any help at all, just look out for a Lowe's Red Vest associate. They're there to help you. Like this video and subscribe, and while you're at it, leave a comment letting us know what you want to see on the next Lowe's How to Anything.